Peace and blessings, fam. Talking to you today about Ormus. This is the center of all technology that I utilize, we utilized for Brothers of Gaia. Everyone who has bought something from us, who has been around us, who takes into account that we as multidimensional beings are able to canvas the sky and make a literal mark on the surrounding environment on a quantum level. Quantum level as in, I am here, but I am also everywhere. Ormus being the multidimensional metals or minerals that make up the material of our souls, as well as fuel the function for optimal electrical potential within the body's endocrine glands, especially the pineal gland. This multidimensional class of minerals is limitless in application, limitless in the fact that we as all organic material can intake this material or multidimensional substance, and it corrects our DNA, if not brings it to its highest of upgrades. And so all beings can live in genetic harmony with the blueprint of what is the original creator. That is where they are trying to distort us and take us away with the AI, with the digital implants, the Morgellons, the chemtrails. And so that brings us back to being immune. This is what we're all about. We're about immunity. We as the creators can feed the microcosmic and the macrocosmic. We feed and create these probiotics that feed on these multidimensional minerals with otherworldly properties, to give them otherworldly properties, to give our plants, all life, otherworldly properties, pure immunity straight from source creator. Once we understand that on a collective communal level, that Ormus is the center of it all, and the lack of it is also the center of it all, we win. We have changed the world, the earth, all of it. So, whatever your mission may be, just know that Ormus is more than likely a part of it. This is the center of manifestation, occult magic, organic life, even inorganic technology, 0 point sustainable technology. It is the missing piece, the missing link, the philosopher's stone. Accumulated